So we are now at the Q&A session, and we do have one question, and it is directed towards the Office of Research Initiatives and Facilities. It says, does ORF provide proposal revision / language editing service?
Yes, and I can answer that really briefly. My office does offer a proposal review service, but it's not at the level of language and crafting at that level. What we offer is a peer-to-peer service. So we would identify faculty at USC that are experts in the area of the proposed research, or if not available at USC, we go outside of the university, and they would provide comments, but based on the science, not really on the crafting of it. So it's different. We're not staffed, unfortunately, to provide that level of review. And if you go to the ORF at usc.edu page, under training at the very bottom, you will see, and I'm not going to try to share this because I've had so much trouble with the screen sharing. You'll see a proposal review service section, and it provides more detail to you on how the service works. And again, please feel free to contact me if you have any questions on this at orf@usc.edu.
All right, let's see, we do have one more question, and this is for Steve and the Office of Research Advancement. How big of a grant would we have to apply for in order to use the services of the Office of Research Advancement? Would a typical NIH or AHRQ submission qualify?
Yes, they both would. I mean, it's going to depend on, I think the biggest factor is workload. So, I mean, if we're inundated and we're working on several large proposals, it just makes it more challenging. But we don't really put a limit. I would say, as a good rule of thumb, the earlier is the better. So, and now for an individual project grant, we're not going to write, highly technical science, right? But we could certainly review and edit sections and copy edit. Hope that answers the question.